Being a student requires a lot of work. Getting good grades is easier with these applications that will help you focus on class, be more productive and stop you from procrastinating and even save some money. Google Drive. This free cloud storage service will allow you to share all your documents with your friends. Also accessible from smartphone or tablet. You can also create text documents, slideshows, spreadsheets, and much more. You can access these files even without an internet connection. Coursera. These are online courses that have professors from important universities around the world. You will have access to the complete catalogue of studies and you'll be able to track your process. EasyBib. This completely free application will allow you to scan the barcode of a book and bibliographic reference will be generated automatically. You can choose in which format you prefer, either MLP, APA, Chicago, and Harvard. My Study Life. You have a calendar in which you can add your class schedules, as well as the dates of delivery and exams. You can choose a color for each subject, which will make it much easier to identify what you should do at each moment. All changes you make will be saved in the cloud, so you can access your information from any device. Wunderlist. For group work, it is an ideal application and is also completely free to use. In it, you can create lists of tasks and share them with more people. Thus, everyone will know what they have to do at all times. Be focused. It will allow you to organize your day-to-day and monitor your progress. On the other hand, this free application offers the possibility of concentrating while studying through its function of working at intervals. You can set a goal of daily intervals and determine its duration.